Okay, today is the day. What we're doing here, we're gonna hook up the water to the refrigerator. Gonna go under the house, hook up water. We got a new refrigerator, got an ice maker, got a water line. Today's the day to hook it up. Hope y'all enjoy. See that line that hangs straight down to the ground? Way over there. I believe that's it right there. That's the line I need to replace. Because I can't use the line that's here. It's, shoot, I ain't gonna tell them what kind of crap is inside that line. Now here's the back of the fridge with the line hooked up. They only sell it in a 20-foot line, so I had to buy the long one. Well, they sell it in a 10, but 10 went long enough. 20 was too long. I don't think they make a 15, but they might. But that's hooked up to the fridge. Okay, I'm under here now. The line has been installed. It goes right here. Took the cap off of this. This is an on-off valve. Somebody had originally, they redid the plumbing in this house, and they put this little handy dandy joint in here, cut-off valve for the ice maker. We run the line across over there and right over there. Let me see if I can get the camera right over there. See where it goes up through the floor? Just had to drill that hole out a little bit. And it goes right up through the floor. Hooks into the back of the refrigerator. Everything's cool. We got ice, we got water running through the veins of that refrigerator. Everything's good. I just glad we did it, because we had been here for a while and never had it hooked up. We got a new refrigerator, and so they wanted it hooked up. We got the ice maker and everything in the door, so